Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode I'll be teaching you how to make your own tallow oil for soap making. It's a hard oil, it has stearic acid. We have so many oils like tallow oil, which is gotten from cow. We also have lard oil, which is gotten from pig. So you will use the same procedure that I'm using, that you will see in this video, to also render your tallow oil or your lard oil, depending the one you got at a time. Yes, so this is the animal fat. This is how the materials look. This is animal fat. I got it from the butcher. Yes, you go to the butcher near you, ask them. They normally pack it in bags. This one is kind of not fresh. I got it I think yesterday and I'm doing it today, so it's not that fresh. You can even get the one that is as bad as this, that you'll be seeing things like maggots, yes, in it. So what you need is to watch this video to the end to see the procedure that you have to follow to render this animal fat, be it big quantity, small quantity, or any one that you can get. So at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like my video, and leave an encouraging comment. Yes, so that is it. So animal fat kind of had stearic acid in it that makes soap to last longer. If you're using animal fat or tallow oil to make your soap, it's going to last well, but it doesn't have foaming properties. So while making soap with this kind of oil, you need oils like PKO to blend the oil. If you're in my class, you will learn how you can blend your oils to come out very well. Yes, it's not PKO is kind of expensive in the market. Then you can get this one, render it. You can use it with PKO, thereby cutting costs for your production. So that is exactly what I'm doing. So you are going to get a pot. You've seen what I'm doing now. You are going to get a pot, put it inside and cover it. You can add water if you want. Yes, then if you want to buy this fat, there's this one that comes from animal offals, from the stomach. That one is very easy to melt. Yes, I just bought this one for tutorial. Yes, if it is the one that I'm selling, that the one that I make and sell, I also make this and sell it. I buy it in big bags. If you're producing that one, you'll be seeing things like maggots. It will be coming out from it. So after that, I will sieve it and my oil is ready. Do you get? You use it for your soap production. Some use it for their candle production. They use it for so many production, depending on the one you know. But this is how you will render your fat for your production to save costs. You must not buy it in the market. You can go and buy it and make it and store it for your own production. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, and give an encouraging comment for people, for YouTube to recommend my videos. Yes, that is the essence of liking. It's free. Subscribing is free, liking is free. You're not paying for it. Yes, it's a way of encouraging someone that is creating the content to do more videos. Yes, so this is it. I've cooked it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, so are you seeing it? Everything has melted. If you still cook it more, you will still get more fat. Maybe if this one is not coming out, you can use your pestle and mortar and pound it to melt it, or you cut it little by little. You know, I didn't cut this one, but you can cut it little by little to fasten the melting. But trust me, if the kind of fat that you got is from the one from offals, animal stomach, yes, it will be very easy for it to melt. Yes, are you seeing it? This is exactly what I'm doing now. So you watch it and see to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give an encouraging comment to this video. Yeah, so if you want to register for our online class, if you want to register for our classes, how to make laundry bar soap, how to make skincare formulation from scratch. We have it. We have the classes going. You can register for our online class. You will learn so much more. You will learn so much more in our online classes. We offer training with full mentorship. We'll coach you, we hold your hand till you learn. For skincare production, for your bathing soap, for your laundry soap and all that, we run classes on that. Chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we can discuss better. Please don't call me, chat me on WhatsApp is preferable. You can call, but chatting on WhatsApp is preferable. Are you seeing our oil? Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Should in case it has a bad smell, you can bleach it with hydrogen peroxide and sulfonic acid. It helps to reduce the bad smell, yes, from it. Or you can also add pine oil in your oil to reduce the bad odor from the oil. But this one is fresh, it doesn't have that kind of bad oil. But in case you got someone that you got fat that has stayed for long, this is exactly what you will do. You will bleach it like you're bleaching red oil. It will give you that clearer look and also look fine and beautiful and give you a nice scent. Thank you for watching. Bye.